guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, LazzzySundaze. And if it's the first time you're visiting my channel, welcome. My name is Tiffany. Have you guys noticed anything different of my hair? I chopped my hair off. This is actually the first time my hair is this short. So I was a little nervous, but it ended up to be so cute and I'm obsessed right now. I don't know where this hair has been in my whole life because this is awesome. Today I'm going to share with you guys something very exciting. I'm going to do an unboxing video from Burt's Makeup. I just decided to purchase all these products and then it's literally still in the box, sealed. So this is what I got. And I believe you can get these in a drugstore like CVS or like Target. First I'm going to start with foundation and hopefully my shade that I picked matches my face. We'll see. Stay tuned. So this is a liquid foundation and my shade is in 1030 Linen Beige. I really like the packaging. I love the fact that they have like a beehive over here. I like that. Ooh! I love foundation with pumps, so that's a plus. Okay, 2 pumps. Hopefully that will cover my whole face. Alright, we'll see. Maybe it's too bright. Oh, it does not smell good. That's not a good thing. It does not smell good. Not like I really want foundation that has smell in it, but like if it doesn't smell good, I don't want to use it, you know? Oh my god, it's like not even my shade. Why do I do this to myself? Alright, I'm gonna put it to my neck, just hopefully they blend a little bit better. But I can use this probably in winter though when my skin is a little bit more pale. Alright, I'm gonna use a little bit more and coverage is okay. It smells like something that's like rotten or something. I don't know. I'm not being dramatic. You can buy it and like decide yourself. So I'm gonna set these foundation for now just because it's really sheer. And hopefully this foundation, mattifying foundation, will give me more coverage. So this is their mattifying powder foundation with bamboo. And I'm in the shade, hopefully this is my shade, 1115 Sand. I really like their packaging. I think that's the reason why I really want to try this line of products out. Because I just love the fact that they'll be inspired. I don't know why, but I do. And this is like so cute. And also if you flip it up, there's like a sponge over here, a mirror. Not like I will ever use this sponge, but you know, I'll probably use it now actually. I'm gonna use this with their sponge and hopefully the application's fine. Okay. Ooh, oh wait. What shit am I getting? It's so bright. Okay, this is really my fault. This one smells better. I can probably use this for brightening, even though my face is already brightened because right now this is not my shade. But yeah, I can definitely use this as a brightening, like for my under eye and stuff like that. The coverage is alright, it's the same. I thought it was just gonna be better color, more coverage, but no. Not more coverage, it's the same coverage. So next I'm gonna use their concealer and I picked the shade 1710, which is light medium. I think they only have 3 shades. The foundation comes in 12 shades, but I picked the wrong shade. For concealer, they only have 3 shades. 3. I kind of wish they have wider shade range for a concealer. Alright, I'm gonna use this for my under eye and any redness, which is you can still see, peek through. Anything that's I think I need to be concealed. Ready, guys? Alright, at least it's like pink undertone. I kind of like that actually. So it goes on really smoothly and let's see if it's gonna stay on my face. Like you can see my pores. It's so bad. I don't know. So I'm going to use this brow pencil and I'm on the shade Brunette. I'm just going to apply it. Actually kind of like it because it goes on really smoothly and it matches my hair color. Not bad, not bad. Not bad. Very natural, I like that look. Anyway, let's move on to eyeshadows. I got this eyeshadow. When I first saw it, I thought it was like such a cute color. I'll show you guys in a second. Like, why do you have to make it so difficult to open? So I'm gonna use the Burts Beige eyeshadow with Bamboo, and this is in the shade 1515 Countryside Lavender. I'm gonna do swatches for you guys. That's one swatch. Oh, I really like the shimmer. I love it. That's nice. Let's see the darkest purple shade. It's a little powdery, isn't it? The nude shade. Let's see. No, not my favorite. The favorite one is definitely the one with a shimmer. I'm just gonna use this nude shade and just apply it on my. If it's not gonna cover anything, it doesn't really matter. I don't know why I use that. I'm gonna go in using the darkest shade of them all. Very powdery. And I will apply this in the outer corners of my eyes, kind of like blend it into the crease. Maybe I'll just use my fingers, more pigmented, hopefully. And this shade is actually not that bad. I kind of like it. Burt's Beige in general is going for like a natural look kind of makeup, so it still has that enough color that you can apply, and it's definitely buildable. I'm just using my fingers now. I feel like when you use a brush, sometimes it's just too flaky. Fingers, you can pack it on, and it's definitely buildable. And I'm gonna use my fingers again, my index finger, to pack it on the shimmer shade that's in the middle. I'm very excited because that shade is just so gorgeous. Are you eating a plant again? Kitty. I'm gonna use this eyeliner. It's in the shade Midnight Gray. I decided not to get anything black because I have so many black eyeliners. I need to try different colors. I'm gonna warm it up a little bit on my, ooh, that's not bad. Whoa, that's just like one swatch. This is the reason why I like liquid liners. It just takes so much quicker. Oh, it's gonna. It took me like 5 minutes to do one eye. So apparently this eyeliner is smudge resistant. So we'll see. Hopefully it is. But overall, I don't mind it. It just takes longer for me to apply this on my eyes. To finish my eyes, I'm gonna use a mascara, and I have over here their mascara. I got the shade 1310 Black Brown. So we will see how it works. Nourishing mascara. The brush. Not bad. I'm okay with this mascara. I feel like it does extend your lashes, but it's nothing that I will be really excited for. Honestly, I feel like a lot of other drugstore mascara will probably have a better, how do you say it? Better product. Overall, I don't mind it. I mean, it is 100% natural. Let's move on to my face. Back to my face. Hello. You know, my cheeks. I love blushes. I have a good feeling about this blush. Yeah. This is 1205 Bare Peach color. Ooh, okay. I like it. I like this blush a lot. I feel like you can't really say no to blushes. It definitely makes my face so much better. This blush, Perfecto, I love it. Yeah, I don't know if it matches my eye makeup right now, but at least I know it is pigmented and it shows on my cheeks. And it definitely makes my entire makeup look so much better. Yeah, I really like this blush. Last but not least, I have one more thing to try out with you guys, and it's for my lips. I feel like there are a lot more lipstick options on the website. I picked this one, the liquid lipstick, and it's in the shade Blush Brook. So we'll see how it goes. Oh. I really like this lipstick. It's really thick and it's really pigmented, as you can see. It's only literally one swap and then it will just be on there. Some liquid lipsticks are too liquidy that once you apply, it will go to somewhere else of your lips. I hate that because it will just kind of go all over your lips instead, like outside of your lips too. It'll just be a mess. But this one, it's sticky, but at the same time, it's like thick. So once you have one swap, it will just stay in that one place. So it's really easy to apply. I really like this product. I think I will get more colors from this. This is my finished look. I don't have any more products with me from Burt's, so this is my whole face. I hope you guys like it. The best products for me are the lipstick and the blush. The eyeshadows are a little like half and half, so it's like a thing that, you know, it's okay. And so is the mascara and the eyeliner. I feel like they're all like okay products. You can get them, but I would definitely stay away from the foundations. I'm sorry, the foundations, the concealer, the matte powder foundation, I just don't like any of them. So this is my honest opinion, and if you guys want to try out their products, let me know what you think. Honestly, it is also my first impression, so once I apply it, maybe I will, you know, give it a second chance or a third chance and see if I really like it. I mean, the foundation stuff. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys do, please do give me a thumbs up and definitely subscribe down below to LazzzySundaze. I also have a blog that's more detailed with fashion and beauty, so if you guys want to check it out, I will link it down below and also the card right there. My social media is also LazzzySundaze. Everything LazzzySundaze, so you guys won't miss it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!